at Tillicum Beach and I didn't see any whales. I've been here a while. I did take a beach walk though. I did. I didn't see any whales at all, but dang, I didn't find whales. Dang. Whoa. What? What am I gonna do with all these rocks? Must you ask questions? So anyway, that's what I got. Oh, wow. I mean, look how pretty they are. I gotta get them wet again so you can see. Is the beach still there? I'm on a beach walk. And I found a new friend. Her name is Angie.
Hi.
Okay, Angie and I are looking for rocks down here. What do you think of this beach?
Actually, I love it because there's like plenty of people and I love people. It's like people are my favorite thing on earth.
For your favorite thing on earth is the people. I love that. And you're 10 years old.
Yeah.
So you're so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
And we're enjoying each other's company.
Oh, yeah.
Now, her parents are way down there, so I've got Angie all to myself. Anyway, thanks for being my friend today.
Yeah, I loved being it.
Okay. She's so adorable, isn't she? My new friend. Actually, I heard there was going to be a whale. So I rushed down here, and now God brought me a little friend to talk to while I'm waiting for the whale. Well, we're not paying attention. It'll go right by us. We won't even see it. Have you seen whales before?
Yeah, one time I have a funny story to tell you about seeing the orca.
Okay.
I was in the middle of eating a lunch and I was eating a grape and I squirt grape juice into Dion's eye, my little brother, because I saw an orca jump and it surprised me so bad. And then the juice goes, shoo, and he's like, ouch. And we were all laughing and going, there were 10 orcas.
Really?
And it was amazing.
That's a funny story.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Yeah.
And over there is Mr. John, and he's the one with the drone.
Yeah,
and
I know.
he's the one that's in the whale watching club. So like sometimes the drone will go out, and if he sees a whale.
Yeah, I know about John.
Oh, my dad's calling me over.
Uh-oh, what's he saying?
He's saying, come on, it's
He's
time
saying,
to
go ask him if there's whale. I'll wait for you right here. Nice to meet you, Andy. Thanks for being my friend. Good. Everywhere I go, I make friends. I do. But I don't see whale. At least I'm thankful. You're so good to me. There's lots of people to be my friend. Let's go see a whale, I'll tell you what. When I do, I'll let you know. When I was fat, I could sit on here with my bathing suit and you'd think you found a whale. I'm not fat anymore. How'd I lose the weight? How did I? Yeah, I did. Bulletproof coffee. Yep, that's what happened.
There's a whale.
Hi, John. How you doing?
Over there by the quicksand.
Where?
So see, you can actually like see far back, like really far, like where
There it is.
There it is. Yeah, over there. Not by the quicksand.
Whoa!
Is it Shackleton? I don't know. Like that. I'm Jill.
Hi, Jill. I'm Cher. Nice to meet you. And there's John. John's talking to. What's your son's name? Dion. Okay, and we're all out here today because she's
the director.
She's my new friend.
Frustrating stage of the whale season.
Oh yeah.
So tell me about Shackleton.
He's like babyish.
No, he's an old man.
He's an old guy.
He's one of the first.
He is. He has haircut, right?
They were discovered. They were first seen in 1990.
Yeah,
That was
that's
32
older.
years ago.
He's 32 then.
To figure out he wasn't a baby. Well, this way I know where I'm looking. When I see the whale, I can turn. When I'm out there, I lose track of where the drone is versus the whale, so I can see the spout. And I look down, I can't see. And I have to start. There he is, right there.
Go up there. When I hear that they're up there, I come down here and I wait for 2 hours and I never see nothing. So
You're the best spotter we have.
No, that is Shackleton.
Yay!
Yay!
Somebody gonna tell the world?
Yeah, I'll tell the world.
Okay.
Okay.
Jill's my communications chief when
Do you
I
have your
fly.
phone with you?
Shackleton's back.
It's inside.
How many views do you have? Shackleton's
How many? I have 538 subscribers. When it says
good.
subscribe, yeah, I know. But look at her.
You get
That's
ad
what-
money
That
yet?
is
Huh? No, actually, once I get monetized, I can't get monetized. I don't have 1,000 subscribers.
wait. What happens when you get monetized?
They start putting commercials in your
Well, they-
videos. And
They
then you
put
can
commercials in your
They
videos.
already
Is that
have.
real?
They
You
already
already
have.
put the commercials
The
in?
commercials
you
are
just
there.
don't get any of them.
That's why I'm always, please subscribe to me,
Which way is
subscribe.
he heading?
He's heading
That's sad.
across the bay over towards, north,
That money there?
sort of left
Where?
of, towards the other side.
No, that's a man.
I think he's just meandering.
Well, in the meantime, I found out I'm not a YouTube influencer. I'm a filmmaker, and I do it. I do it for free, but being that close to being able to make money on
That's
it.
the problem. You get out there and you just keep looking where you hope he's going to pop up again.
I can't wait to see Shackleton.
Okay.
Wait,
Okay, one time we saw Shackleton jump, and that was pretty cool. Like we could see his tail fin, and that's a rare thing. Rare, because when they go like that's when isn't that a rare jump?
No more than
Inside the buoys, right
Although some
in
people
here,
hacked my older drone, so you can go
which is
fly it
crazy.
again.
I mean,
1,600 feet.
but most of the time I can't really see.
I
Whoa.
took a picture of
Yeah.
Mount Rainier and had
He's so
buildings in
cute.
Bellevue
They're like cute
at the
kids.
base of it.
They are.
They're adorable kids.
Just some interesting perspective.
I love him.
I don't publish those though. There's like drone police, especially professional photographers.
Yeah, they don't. They're like
They
really
hate it.
obnoxious.
Like a couple of my pictures have been on the Como News, and they're like, "Well, what kind of release? How much did they pay you for that?" I said, "Nothing." "Well, why'd you let them use it?" "Why not?"
Because
Because every time, because they make money off of this and humma. And I'm like, okay.
they gotta find it from
So where's the drone?
It's 2,283 feet that way.
Well, you know, John,
Is it in
you
sight
like
for
what
us?
you're doing. You love what you're doing. Why wouldn't you share it with the world? I mean,
that's it.
you have a quality product. I mean, I love seeing it.
We do.
Okay, so let's
So,
see if I can
there.
show you guys. See, that's what I can see at 28 towers.
I'm coming up with
Is that the other side?
That's us. Everybody wave.
where? No,
No, that's an airplane. So I'm this far away now. That's what it looks like.
I don't see it.
I do.
Oh, there it is, way out there. There it comes.
Hello, everybody.
And this is us. This is us at the Tillicum Beach. This is fun. Look at her. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Hey, people.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna go land over there since my runway's better.
Oh, thank you, John.
But
That
I
was-
still have 52% of my battery left.
Oh, this is John, and he's the drone guy. So thanks for that. It was fun.
Welcome.
We're gonna have to do it again. There it is, right there.
Yeah, a little later in the month.
We'll do it again, but I'm sure we'll never have this cool combination of people again.
You mean on the blue picnic table?
That nearly landed on me.
Yeah.
Too far, back up.
There it goes.
No. Little more.
I love that.
No, wrong landing. It's fine.
I don't want it to get too close or hurt anybody.
Holy cow, look at that.
That's so.
Wow.
So it's got GPS, and it knows all about it. So it's a lot of telemetry. So if I'm out here and Jill goes, "Can you help me with something?" and I go in the house and I'm old and I forget, and the thing just will fly itself. And then it'll hover wherever it was when I let go of the sticks, and then when the battery gets to a certain point, we'll fly home and land where it took off from.
Holy cow, that's neat.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I've done
Can
that.
it sense people?
Yeah, it knows everything around it. When it gets down there, all these little things right here. I'm still recording. Yeah.
Wait, that's a video?
All these things are cameras and sensors to see all the objects around it.
Share what I have with you.
The video?
Can we share? Yeah.
Bye.
Sure.
Bye.
Nice seeing you.
Bye.
Welcome back to the beach.
Thank you so much for being my
that makes
friend.
me
It
feel
was
good.
fun.
The place is
Oh,
a little
yeah.
cooler now.
Yeah.
There's nobody around here.
Dad, where's my stick?
Oh, what fun people.
No stick.
Don't forget, people, tell your friends about this video.
Okay.
It's up there.
I think Shackleton's just driving around. He's protecting his sandbar, making sure nobody knows.
So I had to walk for a while because I thought the whale was on its way. It wasn't. But I don't care. I don't feel like it's a spoiled trip. Well, they're just so pretty. I couldn't just leave them on the beach. Dang. No?